Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple but delicious and juicy grilled chicken. Let's get started. For this I'm using chicken laps and they are thoroughly washed, and I'll start by transferring them into my mixing bowl. And I'll be marinating it with this. I have here some curry powder, turmeric powder, rosemary, some nutmeg, chicken seasoning, and the thyme. I'll also be adding, I have here mixed pepper, fresh pepper, and bell pepper and tomatoes. And I have here minced garlic and ginger. I'll also be adding it some vegetable oil. And so I will start. I'll be adding it the mixed onions, pepper, and the tomatoes. And I've added some of the minced garlic and the ginger. All the spices here. Add the oil and then mix everything together. Adding it little salt. And now cover. I'll leave it in the fridge for about 2-3 hours. You can leave it overnight. You can equally grill it without even marinating first. But it's more delicious when you leave it to marinate. This is after 4 hours in the fridge. It is now time to grill them. I'll just transfer them into my oven rack, which I have placed on top of baking tray with foil paper. I'm using soft chicken for this. If you're using hard chicken, then you will need to steam it for some minutes before grilling. And here we have our delicious and succulent, juicy grilled chicken. I grilled this at 350 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. And they are looking so lovely, so yummy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you did enjoy this, give me a thumbs up and also share the video. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you are new here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Please consider subscribing. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye.